Coming up on 5 o'clock on what's been a beautifully sunny but cold Thursday, you're looking at what is the big weather story right now. See all of the colors on this map. Notice it does not include the Oregon coast itself, but it does include the Coast Range, the I-5 corridor from Eugene all the way up into Kelso, the Cascade Foothill communities as well, and the Columbia River Gorge all the way out into Hood River and the Hood River Valley. This is a winter storm watch issued for Saturday into Saturday night. Now understand, if the forecast doesn't change as we get closer to Saturday, meaning going into Friday night, that will be switched to a winter storm warning. So growing confidence from all forecasters that I know, including the Weather Service, that this will be a significant winter storm. It still looks like Saturday morning is dry, and then the moisture coming up from the south, meaning Salem gets nasty before Portland, but moisture coming up from the south will be very slow to get going. It looks like Portland, for example, could get a period of flurries turning into some light snow accumulation Saturday afternoon into dinner time. Most guesses right now are that amounts to anything from an inch to maybe 2 to absolute most 3 in the valley. And then once we get to dark on Saturday, I think going into the night, we'll quickly start to see more and more of the snow change to freezing rain. And that will be the big headline. Freezing rain falling perhaps fairly steadily much of Saturday overnight into Sunday morning. The Weather Service thinking that we could see ice accumulations as extreme as 3/4 of an inch. So that's about that much ice stuck and coating on power lines and trees, bringing things down, causing power outages. People lose their heat. Of course, roadways become very treacherous to drive on. I still think Sunday's weather map is a big checkerboard, meaning there will be some warming. Salem and other areas that don't get the immediate east winds blowing out of the gorge will start to warm into the 40s Sunday and change to rain. While downtown Portland and out into East County and into the Columbia River Gorge could potentially see freezing rain much of the day Sunday. In fact, the gorge may not warm up until at some point during the day Monday. So that's a long winter storm. And real quick, the Weather Service estimating that the gorge for the first half of the storm will be primarily snow. And places like Hood River could get upwards of a foot. I'll talk to you soon.